Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Dyah Permata Hayuningtyas. My identity number is 1119017000006. I'm from class 5A. I'm student from Syarif Hidayatullah Islamic University Jakarta from Department Mathematics Education. Here, I will explain and discuss contextual problem related to spatial line in triangle. Okay, here is an example of a contextual problem related to spatial line in triangle. One day, there was a cart that was driving and got lost in the forest. Then, the car is faced with three roads, or what we usually call a T-junction. If the car chooses the road on the side AB, the distance is 5 centimeters. If the car chooses the road on the side AC, the distance is 6 centimeters. Here from the vertex A is drawn a line for AD. Calculate the length or distance of the path that the car will pass if it chooses route AD as the shortest distance so that it reaches its destination. This is an illustration image of the problem above. In this material, the spatial line in the triangle is divided into four, namely, first, angle bisector, second, perpendicular bisector, third, median, and fourth, altitude. And in this case, the related material is angle bisector. What is an angle bisector in triangle? The angle bisector in triangle is a straight line through a vertex which cuts the corresponding angle in half. In the above triangle ABC, the line AD bisects the angle A. That is, angle CAD equals angle DAB. So, AD is the angle bisector of angle A. In addition, in the angle bisector of a triangle, there is also an incenter, where the incenter is the triangle bisector of the angles of a triangle meet in a single point. From the triangle above, we know that O is the incenter. So, O is the incenter of triangle ABCD. Solution is now, let the length of the line for AD equals D. Then, we determine the length of D with the formula D squared equals B times C minus M times N, with M compared to N equals C compared to B, so that M equals C divided by B plus C times A, and N equals B divided by B plus C times A. By using the Pythagoras formula, the length of BC equals 8 centimeters. So, M is equal to C, the value is 5 centimeters. N is equal to B, the value is 6 centimeters. And BC is equal to A, the value is 8 centimeters. The following is an illustration of triangle ABCD. And we know that the value of BC is 8 centimeters. Okay, After we know that line BC is 8 centimeters, and next, ask, how long will the car take if it chooses route AD? Answer, first, we have to determine the length of M and N. Find M equals to C divided by B plus C times A equals 5 divided by 6 plus 5 times A equals 5 divided by 6 plus 5 is 11 times 8 equals 5 times 8 is 40 divided by 11. Next, we find the length of N. Find N equals B divided by B plus C times A equals 6 divided by 6 plus 5 times 8 equals 6 divided by 6 plus 5 is 11 times 8 equals 6 times 8 is 48 divided by 11. Next, we will determine the length of AD or angle bisector with the formula D squared equals B times C minus N times N. D squared equals 6 times 5 minus 40 divided by 11 times 48 divided by 11. D squared equals 30 minus 1920 divided by 121. We equate the denominator is 121, so D squared equals 3630 divided by 121 minus 1920 divided by 121. D squared equals 1710 divided by 121. Then we change the square to the form of root, so D equals root 1710 divided by 121. D equals root 9 times 190 divided by 121. Then the roots of 9 and 121 are 3 and 11, so D equals 3 root 190 divided by 11. So, the length of the path that the car will travel if it chooses route AD is AD or D equals 3 divided by 11 root 190 centimeters. Thanks for the material and discussion of question related to the spatial line in triangle. I'm sorry if there is a shortage. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.